The Golf, Volkswagen's best-selling small front-engine shoe of a car since 1974. Now in its 8th generation, which we will be ignoring for this video's sake, let's check out some of my best clips of the Mk7 Golf, including the R, the GTI, and a few other well-dressed variants in between. Well, we will begin with some revolution! These pops and bangs are going to be a theme here, aren't they? A little screech from the front tyres. And there's the pops. Fart shifting its way up the road. Will we hear some more fart shifting, or did this guy opt to use his left foot? Nope, more flaps of the paddles. Oh, we're inside now. You see, the insanity of a manual shifter was enough to launch the camera into my face as an R pulls out the woods. It seems a bear actually fart shifts in the woods. Riveting. Oh, entering. Let's hear some noises! Sorry guys, the exhaust was stock. My impressions are uncanny. Maybe I should start counting the amount of pops these cars are making. Right, here we go, let's see. Well, that was 14 pops. Plus 22 more, so 36 in total. Standard fart shifting, nothing to see here out of the norm. Oh, here he comes! That was the biggest exit of the night, maybe even of the year. Right, we're back inside now for more manual shifting. Oh, he aced that shift. Ah, we're sliding now. Oh yeah, look at me, I have an all-wheel drive car and can slide on someone's lawn. Look at everyone actively ignoring the GTI. The fender stripes suggest I want to race, but the 5 doors suggest otherwise. Race car! Right, going through the tunnel. Ah, it's standard. Not sure why he was Snapchatting there was absolutely no drama to that clip. Proof that induction was forced. He must have had beans last night. To be fair, that was quite a rapid takeoff. Oh, 5-door stickers back. I counted 13 pops. Oh, he was a fan. Oh, was that a downshift or a missed shift? What's Mr. Pop got for us now? 29 pops, almost a record.
Crackly, like a good cereal.
Black and gold. Sam Sparrow is in the house. 10 pops. Lapis blue now, the R's launch colour. Without a launch. Lapis again and still no launch. Crackling away. Oh look, I'm behind the wheel now. Ooh, bit of turbo lag. That was rubbish. He is providing the revolutions. Not quite the launch of the century. Ah, Mr. Pop is back. Providing no throttle whatsoever. Just his trademark crackling. 28 pops to be precise. I think that was a launch of sorts. Couldn't really hear. Ah, here we go. Launch control is being initiated. A launch on a bend. Not a thing that NASA would recommend. Lapis blue coming through. Any more? Ah, yes, the 5-door. No pops? Oh, he's come to a stop. That was launch control not quite controlling the launch. Ah, we're on grass again. Not an ideal surface.
That's the guy.
Indeed, it is the guy. Mr. Pop, to be exact.
He's been loads of mud.
20 pops. We've got a 5-door lapis blue Golf R providing some revolutions. He is preparing for a hard launch to impress the underwhelmed crowd of the meet. Only seconds separate us from an absolute send. Here he goes. The suspense is utterly killing me. I was wrong. We're back inside again. I can actually hear some sounds there. Well done, Volkswagen. Oh, a cheeky peek from the turbo, like, hello guys, I'm present.
Oh, Fiesta is taking a risk.
So much excitement in one clip. Ooh, it's wet now. Luckily this isn't a video of skiddy boys. You see? Sensible. What was that? Launch control without initiation. Weird.
Golf is flying.
He's not actually Oh, he almost did actually get air there. Right, let's see if this guy drinks Red Bull as well. Nah, maybe more of a monster chat. That was loud. No pops though. Oh, there they are. Oh, there they go, a couple of farts buddies. Maybe that's why Americans call petrol gas. Oh, quite the overtake there, he was determined. Off he pops. Ah, 5-door Stig again. What? Are they manual shifts? I swear he wasn't manual earlier. I'm confused. Now followed by a black 3-door. With volume turned up to 11.
Golf R is on it.
I don't know what he was on. Ah, a distant GTI with revs. Do GTIs pop too? Yes, they do.
There's also the yellow Golf GTI doing a few pops. Then we've got a Golf R not doing some pops.
Fantastic commentary, Adam. Into the darkness he goes. What's this? Oh, a flyby.
Oh, the Golf's on it.
Again, what was it that he was on?
Got the Golf getting the mangles.
An acute angle. 20 pops.
Golf next around.
Jeez. That was too much volume. Ah, a Golf R long wheelbase. These estates are actually pretty rare. And still fart a lot. Ah, Cadbury spec in matte purple. And behind the grey RS3 we have, oh, very brave purple wheels and some kind of artistic logo on the door. Now, where's the Golf in this clip? He must be camouflaged. That's what he wants me to say, but this is as camouflaged as a giraffe in a choir. Ah, minty turquoise. What will the dentist provide? John, the farting dentist. Ooh, GTR went skirling. Right, a red Golf. Oh no, it's duotone. Ah, the mating call of a Golf. That was some kind of greeny yellow colour, showing its aesthetic with snot. Yet strangely looking nice. The bogeyman is back. Bogeyman is sneezing. Ah, another duotone wrap. Ironically, the matte black half is less visible than the camouflage half. Oh, a lineup of cars with the bogeyman on the end and a TT joins in the middle. And we're trying to listen out for this Assassin Blue example. That TT is way too overwhelming for these Golfs. Ooh, chameleon blue.
Those exhausts are huge. They stick out a mile.
Not quite a mile, Adam. Ah, rolling shots now. The crackling is somewhat muted, but still very present. Always creeping up on us. Next is this matte grey Golf. Oh no, it's white. And next seems to be a reverse of that duo red and grey Golf that we saw earlier. Ah, the high-vis camo guy is back. Look at how the camouflage stands out so very much. And the return of the chameleon. But bits and crackles. Right, let's get this section out the way. Launch controls, a golfer's favourite pastime and the least impressive thing that's meant to be impressive. He provided crackling as well. Oh, he's got a friend too. I bet they are busy mates. Who will be shooting off next then? More crackles. He could have won the Indy 500 with a start like that. Oh look, he's also got a mate. The bestest of buddies. Thanks for that. Who's this? A child? A child is launching the Golf? Undeniably the most exciting part of this video. Little Jimmy here is about to go down in the record books. Here we go. And he's off. A textbook start from the child and a promising career ahead of him. Right, this Golf R is lining up right in the middle of the road so that no one can interrupt the launch. Nice to know that safety is at the forefront of his mind. And now it's safe for Bruce and the McLaren to go about his day, safe in the knowledge that no launching Golfs will compromise his plans. A double launch on-site treating you, and what a beautifully lit road. Now this guy must slow for that suspiciously large piece of road furniture. No launching over that wart of a speed bump. Now that he has safety crossed, he can put it into race, turn traction off and bomb it down the road. Only until he reaches the next speed bump when he has to do it all again. We're back here again. The Golf is also right in the middle of the road, putting the safety of others first. There he goes. Oh, an aerial nomad, proving that launches don't need to be electronically controlled. He must launch it out of every parking space. Oh, launching to a crowd, because you'd never do it to yourself. That'd be weird. Absolutely trumped by the RS6. Another crowd, another Golf R launch. He promises he warmed up the car first, but the fumes out the rear suggest otherwise. Oh wow, a four-wheeled skid. The tyres blatantly weren't warmed up either. And now, interestingly, a gold Golf. Vanishing into, who cares where he's going. Right, there will be no launches here. This is a Golf R, which are all-wheel drive, remember, trying to drift around some unstrategically placed cones.
Understeer.
Yes, the front-wheel bias is not doing him any favours.
Go on, let's see a bit of it.
He has the whole drift pad to himself. Some 30% of the crowd are watching in excitement. The stakes are high. With each corner comes more disappointment.
It won't allow it.
Whilst it is possible, you've got to appreciate that this is a difficult car to get sideways, at least when compared to an IS200. And that, my friend, is the riveting conclusion to this supercalifragilisticexpialidocious video. I'll see you next time. Subscribe!